Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually turn your Moen kitchen garbage disposal. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your Moen kitchen garbage disposal is jammed. Like for example, you try to turn it on and it turns on. That's a switch right there. But then you hear like a buzzing or humming noise. This is exactly what happened to me. And so I'm going to teach you how to manually turn it yourself. Now first what we're going to do is that you're going to unplug your Moen kitchen garbage disposal. So you're going to see a plug right there. Go ahead and unplug it just for safety reasons. Next, what you're going to do is that you need two tools. You need a flashlight and then you need a sturdy metal tool like this. So this is just a metal carpenter's tool. Now you can use, like I've read online that people have used like butter knives or spoons and it works for them. When I tried using mine, it felt like it was going to bend. So you want a sturdy metal tool, okay? You can use anything though. Go ahead and use your knife if you want. Just make sure that it doesn't break or bend. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to pull this black piece out of your sink. And then in your garbage disposal, you're going to find a hole that looks like that, okay? So that's a hole right there. And that hole just happened to fit the tip of this metal piece that you see right over here. So you see that hole there? I was able to insert this metal piece in there and then I was able to turn it just like that. So what you want to do is that you want to get some sort of tool that fits inside that hole and then swivel it back and forth until it unjams itself. This is exactly what I did, and I just happened to find a tool in my toolbox that fits this little hole. And then as I was trying to unjam it, it eventually turned 360 degrees. So you want to keep swiveling it back and forth until it unjams itself. You may need to use two tools. Maybe you need to use like two of these to unjam it. But either way, just give it a good wiggle until it actually turns 360 degrees. And that right there will allow you to unjam your Moen kitchen garbage disposal. Now with other kitchen garbage disposals, other YouTube videos that you watch, you'll see that they tell you to use this underneath your kitchen garbage disposal and just turn it. But there's no spot for that on the Moen kitchen garbage disposal. It's built differently. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manually turn your Moen kitchen garbage disposal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.